Amethyst is a stone with many different benefits. It guards against psychic attack, transmuting the energy into love and protecting you from all types of harm, including geopathic or electromagnetic stress that others may try to bring upon your life in unfortunate ways without realizing it's happening due to its protective qualities, when worn as jewelry by those who are sensitive enough for these things. Amethysts also have calming effects which can relieve irritability, balance mood swings, dispel anger/rage leading towards self-harmful behaviors such as violence, etc., dispels fear causing panic attacks caused from worry over imminent disaster. But first, let's learn about the history of amethyst. Blessed with a deep purple color, amethyst has been highly esteemed throughout the ages. Since a purple color considered royal in many countries and cultures, amethyst has become the most precious form of quartz. People loved it not only for its stunning beauty and legendary powers to soothe the mind and emotions. Ancient Greeks and Romans used to wear amethyst rings when drinking alcohol. They believed that amethyst was able to ward off intoxication and protect them from drunkenness. The word amethystos from Greek literally means remedy against drunkenness. Greeks used amethyst stones to make chalice. They believed that amethyst chalice would protect them from getting drunk and intoxicated. Even in our times, amethyst meaning is closely connected to keeping clear mind. People wear amethyst jewelry and keeping amethyst stone as a sign of sobriety. Amethyst and meditation. Amethyst is a great crystal for meditation. Amethyst's purple color is able to stimulate the highest vibration of the third eye. For the best effect, place an amethyst stone over the third eye area. This will help you reach the ultimate meditative state, and that allows you to calm your mind and thoughts. Track your consciousness with amethyst and let it guide you towards a deeper understanding. Amethyst encourages you to open your mind for a comfortable and serene experience. Hold an amethyst crystal in both hands and concentrate. You will notice how energy is filling your body from within. It allows the powers of the universe to direct your mind. Amethyst for decision making. When you are dealing with difficult situations in your life, reach out to amethyst. Sometimes it's as easy as seeing a clear path ahead of you and understand how to move forward. That's exactly what amethyst can help you achieve. If the only way is to make a difficult decision, then this crystal is going to help you do it. It will guide you through the whole process. You will feel more comfortable taking steps when having an amethyst in your life. This especially applies to highly sensitive people. In order to optimize your emotional environment, keep an amethyst crystal close. It will be always rooting you in reality and maintain a cold, clear mind. Don't worry, amethyst won't make you careless. In fact, it will allow you to deal with good and bad emotional excesses. Amethyst at home. Amethyst is a perfect stone to keep at home. A piece of jewelry can comfort you throughout a day. But at home, you need a larger piece to deal with a large number of energies that are entering your house. The fast light speed is able to fog the brain of even the brightest minds. Amethyst properties are explicit in fighting everyday routine and make it easier for us to make wise decisions. It's especially a key to fruitful work from home. If you are a freelancer and looking to optimize your home office, the amethyst stone is going to be your best friend. Put this purple stone on your table for a little boost. It will promote concentration and clear thinking.